Hello everyone, this is Khaldan from Kanen Coffee. Today we are going to test this beautiful DeLonghi MAGNIFICA espresso machine. After I replaced the water pump was struggling. If you look at here, you don't realize it's since 2012. And after that, also we find this one. This was broken from here. See this hole right here? It was leaking from over there, and this hose, while I'm taking it off, it gets broken. There is a piece inside here, it's stuck over there, so I replaced it. I didn't charge the customer for the hose. So let's go ahead and test it and make a cup of espresso on it. It's a great cup of coffee. Look at that. It's with the creamer and tasty too. Let's go ahead and test the water pump, the hot water. This is the steamer. That works perfect. So go ahead and test the hot water too. This is perfect. Okay, thank you for watching.